Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. In this video I'm going to teach you how to withdraw your dogs. I want to show you how to withdraw your dog from your dog bot to your wallet. Either it is your Telegram wallet or using OKX or BYBIT. So what you need to do, first of all, you need to go and watch my previous video, because I made a video on how to buy Telegram star. If you don't have Telegram stars, you cannot withdraw your this thing. You cannot withdraw your dogs. So you need to go now and buy Telegram star. I have made my recent video. I will send you the link. Comment if you didn't buy Telegram stars. So all right, let's dive into it. If you already buy your stars already, so what you are going to see is something like this. When you open your Telegram bot, you see, you touch deposit. When you touch deposit, it is going to show you something like the exchanges or wallet in Telegram. So which one are you going to use? Are you going to use the exchanges or wallet? So you see, I touch wallet. I'm going to use wallet. Open wallet in Telegram. So I already have a wallet, Telegram wallet. You all have Telegram wallet. You just need to go and verify, so continue. You just need to continue. You see, when I see my dog balance, whatever, return to dogs. If you just connected to your wallet, just return to dogs. You just need to connect to your wallet and return to dogs. As you can see, I will open my dogs again. After I have connected, you see, then you press keep going. You see, you're gonna see. So you see, when you press keep going, confirm withdrawal of 46,290 dogs. Then you press confirm. You touch confirm, right? So when you touch confirm, you see deposit is in progress. Your deposit is in progress. Then you press woof. You press on woof, and then you are going to see your withdrawing in progress. You see. So as you can see, your 46 decent dogs is withdrawing. So it is withdrawing. This withdrawing you will only get your dogs token when they listed it, that is on 20. So this is what you need to do. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.